Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. I'll be down for you always. I'll be down for you always. I'll be down for you always. I'll be down for you, down for you, down for you, down for you, down for you always.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog.
Hi guys.
We're going to be going back to school shopping. We're going to Target today to look and see what kind of stuff they have for back to school.
Isn't she beautiful?
Yeah, I did my makeup today, guys. Give y'all a little something extra to look at. We're about to go into the store. Please. We're about to go into the store and do a little back to school shopping. And yeah, everything that I'm gonna be buying today, I'm actually gonna be giving away to one of you guys.
Booyah!
I'm not in school anymore, unfortunately. Well, no, it's not unfortunate.
It's not unfortunate.
It's not unfortunate at all. But one of my favorite things about going back to school was always the school supply shopping, because I am that person that would color coordinate all of her school supplies and get like super organized.
Now she really is.
I'm super excited to... But yeah, I'm super excited to go and do what my favorite part of school was, which was just the shopping, and then y'all can have the school part. Education is important. You gotta do your time. I did my time through high school and through college.
Yep. And
I'm done, so you know. But yeah, I know, like for me personally, and I always share this story every year whenever I do back to school giveaways, but I am one of 4 siblings, and I always remember growing up how, you know, it was tough to go back to school shopping because school supplies is expensive, clothes are expensive, all of that stuff that you need to go back to school can be expensive, especially if you have a lot of siblings.
And you're not selling that boom yow.
I'm in love with the coco.
Yeah, which hopefully none of you guys are. So
boom yow's bad.
I always love going and getting school supplies and just giving it away to one of you guys. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, like I was saying, if you're not subscribed, be sure to click on the subscribe button, turn on your notifications, because we have lots of back to school related content coming for you guys really soon. Woohoo! And we already have a ton of vlogs up. We've been vlogging like crazy for the summer, so while you're waiting for the back to school giveaway, just check out our vlogs.
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and get in the store and get to the shopping.
There's a little yachty standing in front of it.
Alright y'all, so I consider myself a well-versed back to school shopper, so I'm gonna be giving y'all some tips during this process.
Like popcorn in here.
Yeah, because they have popcorn. So tip number 1, if you want to get the bomb school supplies, you got to go to a really nice Target. So we're at the Target in Buckhead, and I'm positive that the school supplies out here is gonna be popping. Alright y'all, so we're coming up on the office supplies. I'll mess around and buy everything here.
She won't mess around and buy everything here. You don't have to worry about that.
Because it's just easier to just...
To buy everything?
One time and not have to keep...
Oh, I thought you meant buy everything in the store.
No, I meant...
I was gonna say, oh yeah, that's not gonna be a problem.
No, I meant just buy everything at once. Tip number 2, and I may or may not be right about this, but I'm usually right. So right now, we're in the school office section. Show them the section. Show them the sign. School office section, okay? Now, during back to school season, all the cheap back to school supplies are in the back. So, follow me. You gotta go to the seasonal section in the back of the store. That is where all the school supplies is. If you shop in the school or office section,
it's right behind the orange juice.
Everything is gonna be expensive. So you gotta go. Now, it might be wrong, but hopefully they'll have it out and they won't prove me wrong. All right, y'all. So they're not doing the big section until another week, but I'm already here. So we're just gonna go back up in the front because I don't have time to wait another week. They need to get on it. They're supposed to already have it out. Already have the stuff out. So by the time y'all watching this video, all the stuff should already be out. So just know when you come in, go to the back and there'll be a big section back there where you can
Is this only at Target or is this everywhere?
I don't know. I usually only come at Target, so I don't know in other places. But we're gonna go back up to the front and see what we can find. Sorry.
That's not the front. Time for Cart Cam.
Mechanical pencils, erasers, nice dividers, a mini supply kit. So it has a hole punch, a stapler, a staple remover, a tape dispenser, a pencil sharpener, scissors, mini scissors, staples, and tape. Everything you need for $5. So we'll get 2 of these. They only have pink. Oh, they have a blue one.
That one's a little bit different.
I don't like blue. We're gonna get 2 pink ones. Do y'all need pens? I think we need to get y'all some pens. Does anybody use number 2 pencils anymore? I don't think I'm gonna get these. Do y'all use these? Let me know down below in the comments. I think we're just gonna stick to mechanical pencils because it's 2018. No one sharpens pencils in 2018. And this concludes the cart cam. See. They're only $1. Bam. Yo, Walmart is. This isn't even Walmart. I'm getting all confused. Target is slacking right now. They don't have any good stuff out.
Highlighters.
2 of these. Bam.
Don't you want to get some horse heads? Some beautiful horse heads for your desk. Oh, they don't need horse heads for the desk.
No. We can get some markers. These are only $69. We can get 2 of these, 2 of these. Why? See, this is the kind of stuff I be talking about. Unacceptable.
Dun, dun, dun.
Unacceptable.
I mean, I don't do a whole lot of back to school shopping, but seems like the pickings are a little slim right now.
It is already a whole week into July.
Oh my gosh, it's a whole week.
School starts in 3 weeks. Target, y'all should have your school supplies out. This is ridiculous.
Tighten up, boy.
Do we want these?
I think those are more swag-tastic.
Yeah, but that's only the binder clips.
Oh
this
my
one comes
goodness.
with clips and paper clips.
There's a reason that they come like that. $5 for 30 paper clips is a steal, guys. A freaking steal.
It's 280 paper clips.
Oh, my bad.
Get it right, Billy.
Uh-oh.
Okay, we're gonna get y'all some index cards. Bam, in the cart. We need some loose leaf paper.
Is Walmart better than Target?
Do we need to get a ruler?
Yes, we need a ruler.
In case you need to smack somebody.
Do it again. Do it again. Oh my goodness.
Are you getting turned on by this? Gross. We're getting this one.
Are y'all enjoying this? You better be enjoying this because you wouldn't like me when I'm angry.
$4 for 4 college ruled 5-star notebooks. So we'll take it. Well, we'll sit it in the think about section.
Oh, that's the think about section.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
Is that paper right there?
This 5-star reinforced paper. Ain't nobody got time to spend all that money.
Back in my day, we didn't have reinforced paper. We had paper that just tore when you opened the binder.
Alright, let's get some of these. 1, 2. Purple.
Is this intentionally in the think about section?
No.
But you're not even keeping your own section sorted.
I know. I'm so just thrown off by this whole situation that I can't even think.
Do we need to get them some animal crackers? Some back to school animal crackers right here. That's the back to school bear. He says, do your homework, kids.
So how much do you predict will be in here? I say $50. How much do you
I say $30 max.
$30?
Max. Oh, I guess I didn't think about some of the stuff costs a little bit more than a penny.
Well, $30 would be good, actually.
Yeah, y'all, I'm predicting $30. We're gonna see what happens though. You're in the way of the shots.
Sorry.
Just like I said, $58.
You said $30. Get out of here. But what you can do is give me some money to pay for this.
Alright, so our new homie's about to hook us up. The new homie. Anytime you get us a discount, you're the new homie. She agreed with us that $4 for each notebook was ridiculous and that it should be.
So they didn't even fan.
So now she's about to put in her secret code that's going to override the whole system, and we're going to get free gas for a year.
Yeah, right. Thank you.
Blessed and highly favored.
All you gotta do is just open your mouth.
Like this. Ah.
Alright, y'all, so we're back in the car. Excuse me, Siri. Target was struggling, okay? But we made it work. I was very disappointed in them though, because normally, like I said, I thought I was gonna be able to show y'all the secrets of back to school shopping, which is, and by the time this video goes up, y'all will probably actually be able to take advantage of it. But when you go into Target, y'all know how in the front of the store they have the school and office supply section. Well, when it's time for back to school, they have a whole separate section. I made you slow down to run the light.
No, because just keep talking.
Anyways, yeah, they have a whole separate section in the back that has all the school supplies. So when you go in the store, don't just go to the school and office section, because that is not the school supply section. All the school supplies is going to be in the back of the store. It's going to be a whole big old section with a ton of school supplies, backpacks, notebooks, folders, all kind of stuff back there. But when we went to this bougie Target in Buckhead,
bougie!
Talking about it's gonna be another week before they put the school supplies out. I'm like, bruh, you do realize after another week, school's gonna be starting in 2 weeks. Like, y'all should already have the school supplies out. Like, y'all should already have the school supplies out. So, that was a little irritating because I thought I was gonna be able to show y'all like the truth, but anyways, Target tried to give us some lemons, but we made lemonade out of it, so it's fine. We were still able to get us a couple items, a couple school supplies items, and our homie at checkout hooked us up with, for the low, 4 5-star notebooks for $4, because they were still in the package. They were actually supposed to be sold individually, but they were still in the package. So they were over there for $4, but they were really supposed to be $4 each. They were over there for $4, but they were supposed to be $4 each.
Appreciate you.
Yeah, she went ahead and rang it up for us for $4. So shout out to her for looking out. So I guess we'll give Target a couple points for that, because she looked out. Otherwise, they would have been just a complete
not purchase
fail. Yeah, because I was about to leave them there. And then I said, well, let me go over and tell her why I'm not buying them, because she probably might want to go over there and open all the rest of them. But then she just gave them to us for $4. So I appreciate that.
Jesus.
Why are you yawning at 6 o'clock?
I guess my coffee's wearing off.
Do y'all think it's too early to have school supplies out?
Whoop.
Or do y'all think Target's tripping and they should have already had the school supplies out? Like, because today is the 8th. Today's June 8th. I mean, what? Today's July 8th.
Dang.
So, y'all let me know. Is it too early for school supplies? Or, like, am I tripping? Y'all let me know what y'all think. But, anyways, I guess maybe we might see y'all when we get to bowling. So.
Yeah, we might. Or we might get good at. Cause you got to cut it.
Fayy, do you love me? Are you riding? Say you'll never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you. I'll be down for you always. I'll be down for you always. I'll be down for you always. I'll be down for you, down for you, down for you, down for you, down for you always.